咱人咧烧酒门的时，会手拍招呼。研究人员即马发现讲，枪嘛有要讲的行为，若枪是会耳仔、唇片仔来拍招呼烧酒门。
枪和枪相拄，要安怎烧酒门，和人类鸟仔相像。因为摇耳仔比尻川轻声叫，甚至放尿互你看。一份上新的研究讲，像要安怎来烧酒门，要看因的性别，还是双方有咧对看无等因素来决定。
Elephants are just so interesting because they appear like these big animals that could, squash you in a second. But when they touch each other, they're extremely cautious and gentle, and they are so loving to each other.
这项研究针对新巴威非洲草原顶头的狗只枪做观察。研究人员讲，当枪互相咧对看的时阵，会摇耳仔、床片仔来望对方的面。不过双方眼神若是无交集，伊嘛会大声还是细声吼，来互对方注意。另外，因佫用特别的方式来发出气味，互对方注意到家己的存在。
They also often used defecation, urination, and had temporal gland secretions, which could be because of the excitement of seeing each other, but could also be because elephants rely extensively on olfaction. So,
科学家讲，当咧起笑的枪会常常用放尿的方式，甲对方传达讲，伊想要找有伴的信息，并且伫目睭甲耳仔之间的粒线，嘛有分泌物流出来。另外，亲母之间的连接，比拢是家己一只的枪杆更加强。因做伙的时阵，会用仪式性的亲按来强化互相的社会连接。
The fact that they greet in this excited way for me was mind-blowing too, because they were just separated for 10 minutes, and humans don't do that after 10 minutes. So, for them, it's important to be together.
科学家伫这个研究内底发现，像大概有20种烧酒门的方式，因为社会性可能比咱较早理解的更较复杂。公视新闻詹慧敏编译。